Tesla, let's check out the map. Yeah, Tesla map is not my favorite. I still like to use Waze, I still like to use Google Map, but sometimes it's just a bit too troublesome to use Waze and Google Map. Yeah, because I will need to put my phone here and the screen is small, so I ended up using Tesla's map. So let's check out how to use this. Basically, if you want to go somewhere, you can do this. Yeah, just click here, navigate to Bukit Bintang. See that? You search for Bukit Bintang and it will calculate the route and it will show me how to get there. Okay, and I can also add a stop, yeah, wherever I want to go to, or I can edit the trip, what else I want to do, yeah, or oh, it's gone. So again, yeah, recent Bukit Bintang and set arrival energy. So I can set it to lower or even higher, yeah, depending on how I want to do it. And also I can have different settings, such as have the navigation volume higher or lower, automatic navigation, trip planner, online routing, and reroute to safe. I can avoid the tolls, avoid the ferries, avoid motorways, depending how I want it. Yeah, close this and let's end the trip. Yeah, so what else you can do over here? Yep, this is the compass. Yeah, I'm facing northwest, so this is the map and this is north. All right, this is north. So let's see what else I can do with this. I can click here to disable the locations. I can on it back so that I can see all the locations, which is all this. The information is derived from Google Map. Yeah, that's why I understand. Yeah, and this is charging. This logo here is charging. I have to disable this. So this tree represents superchargers. Pavilion Bukit Bintang, Mid Valley, Bukit Jalil. This is IOI City Mall. This is IOI Mall, and many more to go. Yeah, so this represents destination charges. Yeah, the slow charges, Sunway Velocity, and Shangri-La, Equatorial Hotel, and Mid Valley. Okay, so this is how you look at the charging and why it shows you. Yeah, most importantly, why it shows the charging. That's because you can actually set, let's say I want to go to the nearest destination charger. This is the one, Sunway Velocity. Okay, then it will show me how to get there. And charging, you can also access it from here. Say click here, charging, you can access from here. It's the same thing, but you click here or you can click here. It's the same. This is the favorites. So how do you add the location to favorite? Let's say I want to go to Taman Connaught Night Market and I want to set this as my favorite. Okay, so yeah, I don't really change anything. I just add to favorites. Then this will be my favorites, and I also can see what's happening there with all the reviews. I can even read reviews. Yeah, that's quite cool. I think this is from Google Map. Yeah, so I just click this, and let's say I want to go to my favorites. Yeah, this is listed here already. Okay, so you can also set your home and work. This is like your daily. Yeah, daily you will go back home, right? You go to work, right? Normally you just click here to go your home and your work. Sometimes it will also automatically change for you. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. Bye.